Myself, Lata Kulkarni, Department of Electronics, Maharani Science College, Mysore. Today I am going to demonstrate the Wien-Bridge oscillator using operational amplifier. What is the aim of the experiment is? Aim of the experiment is to construct the operational amplifier circuit and find the frequency practically and theoretically. Figure shows the circuit diagram for the operational amplifier. Let us study what is op-amp. Op-amp is a high gain, high input resistance differential amplifier. It is available in 8-pin IC. Figure shows the 8-pin IC and this is the symbol for the operational amplifier. Now, what are the instruments we required for the operational amplifier using Wien-Bridge oscillator? We need the operational amplifier board and the regulated power supply and the CRO. Let us do the connection according to the circuit. After completing the circuit, switch on the power supply, we are able to get the waveforms. After getting the waveforms, just take the time period. How to take the time period? The formula for the time period is number of horizontal divisions covered multiplied by the time per division. Let us see how to take the reading for this sine wave. Here, this from this end to this end, it is called the time period. Okay, just adjust this. In this, actually, this is the one division. This is nothing but the one division. This is nothing but the another division. This one division is divided into 5 parts. That is, 5 lines are there. First, here you can see that 5 lines are there. First line is nothing but 0. Second one is 0.2, 0.4, 0.6 and the 0.8. Finally, we are going to get the one division. So, how many divisions are covered here? 1.6, approximately 1.6, and multiplied by the time per division. How much is the time per division? It is 0.5 millisecond. Let us write the T is equal to 1.6 multiplied by the 0.5. Next, calculate F is equal to 1 by T. Next, we have to calculate the frequency. That frequency is called the practical frequency. Theoretical frequency is calculated using F is equal to 1 by 2 pi RC. Here R is equal to 10K and C is equal to 0.1 microfarad. Next, the same experiment is repeated for the another value of the capacitor. Just in the circuit, change the capacitor value from 0.1 to 0.3. Then once again we are going to get the sine wave here, and just if you want you can adjust little bit this sine wave. Take the time period, calculate the frequency practically and theoretically using the formula F is equal to 1 by T for the practical and 1 by 2 pi RC is for the theoretical. Thank you.